Hello everybody, we are finishing up a paver job here. We're also did the blacktop, put some pavers in down here, pavers over here. Elite Pools and Landscape, Elite Home Services for all of your home improvement needs. We did the roof replacement on this project about a month ago. Complete tear off, install new. This is the pewter gray with black trim, gives a nice shadow look to it. The blacktop, put in the drain across the driveway due to flooding. As you can see, the road sets up a little bit higher than their driveway, and after a big snowstorm and then some rain, they had flooding into the garage, so put in this drain across the driveway, and then where it ends over there's a drain. It goes down about 4 feet deep to soak up the water and send it out down the road. Elite Pools and Landscape and Elite Home Services for all of your home repair, home improvement, pool, landscape, roofing, siding, everything you need in one shot. Give us a call or visit our website.